My name is Carla. I am a doctor and I want to be like Patch Adams. I prepared for 2 years in a public hospital in San Jose de Maipo. In this place, I worked 4 years with children and friendly people. I love help and work with people. For this reason, I study medicine. I think I am kindly, friendly, and a working person. I do handling, and with this skill, I enjoy and help the children for that they have a great day. I work with dedication, and so I work with heart. If you want to contact me, you can call me. My number is 76261943 or my email drc@gmail.com. Thank you.